Alright, here comes the train. Here comes that train that stop train was waiting on. River Road, Chapel Hill. Get ready to record this train coming through. And guys, this is recorded about 2 days after the Pensacola trip. And it's good to be back on home rails. Yeah, it's very good to be back on home Tennessee rails here. And our first day back on Tennessee rails, we already caught a train meet. Because you see there's one stopped. There's one stopped right there, and there's another one coming way down there. So yeah, here comes the train. Out here, nothing's changed to the crossing. No, it's been a very long time since I recorded this crossing. I got some pictures of this crossing, because if you guys didn't know, if you guys do follow my Facebook page, instead of posting onto this one group that I post all my pictures to, I'm not posting all my railroad crossing pictures to my main page now. So yeah, just figured I'd change that because that group wasn't really that good and it didn't really have much business, you know, like not a lot of people are in that group, so I figured I'd just switch to the main page. So yeah, now if you want to see all my railroad crossing photography, just go into my main page, my Facebook. You'll see every little photo I've taken so far. I still have plenty more crossings to get photos of. Here it comes. It is lightning and thundering right now. I did see lightning coming that way. That train's approaching pretty fast actually. Yeah, that train's approaching pretty fast. Oh wow, this train's flying. It's sorry to be here. Oh wow. Oh, this train's flying. It's crossing. Dang, this train is freaking. I hope there's a heritage unit, because here comes my friend recommended there was a heritage unit coming through, so I hope this is it. Oh, it's UP, I think. Maybe it's not. I don't know. I can't tell. Not CSX. Oh, UP, yeah, UP! Let's go. Pacific. It looks like no DPUs. Like. Awesome train though. Here's the end. No DPUs. There it goes. Peace out, guys.